Hey, what's up everybody? I'm back with a brand new video. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. All right, guys, it's that time again. You know what time it is? I'm back with a brand new video. I know I've been gone for quite some time, but I had to do a little firing. I had to let a couple people go. Yeah, I had people that wasn't pulling their weight, so I had to let them go. Now, things are working a whole lot better. You know what? We're going to get away from this time thing because here it is, guys. It's really on the bureaus once we do the work. Now, it sounds good, and it seems like a lot of people, when you say things like, you could see changes in the first 30 to 45 days, I think a lot of people, I'm guilty of it also, but I think a lot of people hear what they want to hear. They heard, oh, my credit's going to be done in 30 to 45 days. That's what I heard. I heard it was going to be done in 30 to 45 days. No, I said you could see changes in, say, 21 days or 30 to 45 days. But a lot of people are taking that as, my credit going to be done in 30 to 45 days. That's what they did. I ain't seen everything ain't off my credit yet. No, guys, that's not what I meant. So I'm going to be more direct, more clear with my words so we don't mince words. So you don't take something I say and flip it around and try to make it something that I didn't say. We're going to be totally honest, and that's the way we're going to get this done. So hear me out and hear me clear. Your credit could take as long as 90 days on certain bureaus. And I'm going to tell you which one. Equifax could take the longest. They just kind of drag their feet. A lot of time they just kind of ignore things, but we will keep pounding on them. But as far as Experian and TransUnion, these guys, hey, we send it in, and they're pretty much Johnny on the spot. And you will see things, it's not unheard of to see something pop off your credit in 10 days. I mean, even the whole report, bam, 10 days, Experian, bam, 10 days, TransUnion. It's possible. But I would not go to bed thinking after you hired us to do your credit that it's going to be gone in 10 days because that's not always the case. So once again, you need to institute a little patience in your life. And we will get this done for you. Okay, enough with the rambling. Let's talk about something real here. So what I really brought you guys here to see is, because we've been getting a lot of comments in the section, website. Do you have a website? Guess what? We have a website. Here it is right here, guys. You can see the URL right here on the screen. www.rapidcreditdelete.com is the brand new website. And at this website right here, guys, you can go in, you can click sign up right there from the page. If you just need more information, you can click the little button that says, just want to know more information. Just click that and go down to the bottom, click submit, and somebody will contact you as soon as possible. Or if you're ready, if you're ready to get this party started, you can go ahead and click, I'm ready to get this party started. It doesn't really say ready to get this party started, but that's what it means. So you're ready to rock and roll. Go ahead and click that, click submit, and someone will get back with you as soon as possible so we can get your credit started ASAP so you can get on with your life. Because guess what, guys? Summer's coming up, and I know everybody want to get that credit right this year in 2019 so they can make all kind of moves so you can go out and get that new car, get that new house with the picket fence and that dog named Spot, or whatever you'd call them. But yeah, here it is, the new Rapid Delete website. And it's got a few features on it. So check out the new website at www.rapidcreditdeletes.com. Or if you want to do it the old-fashioned way, you can still call us by dialing 833-947-3863 and press the option that says Rapid Delete. That's what I wanted to tell you guys. So, hey, we got a new process. And when you sign up, here's the beautiful thing about it. It goes right into our software, so we see you. Act now, guys. Go to the website, www.rapidcreditdelete.com, or pick up the phone and give us a call at 833-947-3863. Somebody will be there to answer your phone. And if you don't get through the very first time, just wait a couple seconds. Call back. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. It's been my pleasure. I know I've been away for a bit, but we're going to keep making videos. I got some other cool things I need to tell you guys about. So you really need to stay tuned to this channel, because I'm going to give you guys some free advice like I always do. And if you follow my instructions, there's no way that you cannot have good credit and make some things happen for you and your family. That's going to do it for this video, guys. I'm out. Until the next video.
Peace.